Let's make a Japanese-inspired iced coffee on the AeroPress. This makes for a perfectly refreshing and fully aromatic iced coffee. We'll need ice, a serving carafe, an AeroPress clear and flow control cap. We'll also need the AeroPress filters, stirrer, and scoop, along with a kettle. And if you want the best results, use a grinder and a kitchen scale. First, we're going to heat our water to 201 degrees Fahrenheit or just off boil. Then weigh out and grind about 16 grams of your favorite coffee, shooting for a fine grind. Put the filter in the flow control cap the AeroPress, and load in your coffee. Break about 100 grams of ice into small chunks and put them in your carafe. Next, put your AeroPress on the carafe and fill your AeroPress with about 150 grams of hot water. Give it a good stir and let it sit for 2 minutes. Then we're going to give it a long, slow press over about 30 seconds. As you press, the ice in the carafe should start to melt, and once you're done, keep swirling it around until it's fully melted. The melted ice will balance out that coffee concentrate to give you a perfectly balanced and aromatic chilled brew. You can enjoy your chilled coffee just like that, or if you want it extra cold, serve it over ice in a tall glass. Cheers!